Good morning everyone and welcome to this week's assembly. Today we have some book reviews as well as our stars of the week, but first of all we are going to visit our friends in year 3 who will be telling us all about National Children's Day. Let's go there now.
Hi, welcome to Galileo Sharing Assembly. Enjoy!
National Children's Day specializes in the importance of a healthy childhood and how we need to make sure that the rights and freedoms of children are protected in order to ensure that we can become happy, healthy and smart adults.
This is how you can have a healthy childhood. Eating healthily, getting a long sleep, getting lots of exercise, reading and learning, walking to places instead of driving. Bye. Reducing stress. Playing sports. Basketball. Dribbling the ball. No.
We should get a real ball.
Slam dunk.
This is all about having a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah! Little steps make a big difference. Let's take some little steps now.
Let's go.
This is a big difference. We're here. We're finally here. And walking makes a very big difference. Hi, we're making some sunglasses. Do you want to know why? Because it is fun and we are so creative. So I've got my sunglasses. They have been made out of cardboard, and we're gonna put in some coloured acetate so then our eyes will be protected from the sun. So cool!
Yeah, we can learn how to make I've been making glasses in primary school and it is so fun. I cut the scissors. I use the scissors to cut it out and I used a pencil and drew it.
Then we went with the acetate and it was perfect because it protected our eyes from the sun, especially the dark ones.
I feel really proud of myself because I've tried.
Do you want to know what's hard about making stuff?
Cutting cardboard with kids' scissors.
And it's pretty difficult to do stuff on your own. Sometimes I feel relieved when I finish stuff very hard and cutting stuff more easily. And look, Stephanie, you're doing a good job. I feel good when I make creative, because I like to make creative stuff, like other things too. Good morning. It's been like a nerd class. So I like about the designs I made. Whoa, those look wicked! Those look wicked! So I liked about these and these. I kind of like the tape. It literally looks so weird. Ta-da! It's fixed! Because when I'm finished, I kind of feel a little bit happy. But when I'm half finished, I feel a little bit nervous.
Thanks Year 3, that looks wonderful. We are now going to do our Stars of the Week Cookie Stage 2. So, in Year 3, In Da Vinci class, we have Arian. In Galileo, Diana. In Edison, Anissa. In Year 4, in Berners-Lee, we have Sana. In Hawking, Freddie. In Brunel, Reem. In Year 5, Gandhi, Tabor. Helen Keller, Angel. And Rosa Parks, Amelia. And finally, Year 6, in Mandela class, we have Nuruddin. In Malala, Rais. And in Pankhurst, Taha. Well done, all of the Key Stage 2 stars. Okay, now we are going to visit some of our students who will be sharing their book recommendations this week. Remember, if you want to do a book recommendation video, just let your teacher know.
Imagine if you were very flat. You would match this book, and it is by itself, so you can't blame yourself. The reason why I chose this book is because if you see closely and if you read this, then you'll see a lot of comedy in this book. It also has a lot of inspiration about your life, and also it has stuff what you like imagine tigers, animals, lions, and giraffes.
Hi, this is a great book. It's called Agatha Parrot and the Heart of Mud. Do you want to read some? Come on, let's go. Here's what it's all about. Girl telling her life story, and then the brother gets a message in her computer and secretly married her, but it's actually her cousin. Let me read you a bit. I'm on page 25. Actually, Dad, James pulled a face. Who is this? He said. Your cousin, said Dad. She's your Auntie Zoe girl. Oh wow, Auntie Zoe is the coolest person in our family. I've never actually met her, but I can tell you exactly what she looks like. She's really tall and slim with big eyes and black short hair. How do I know? Because she models dresses in the Duchess catalog that Mum. You should read this book. It's really good and it's in the book corner. Make sure you go check it out.
Hey everyone, this is my book, Football School Star Players. I recommend it for anyone, and it's about footballers, in the old footballers that passed away and present footballers like Cristiano and Messi. And I got it from the amazing Miss Murphy, and I recommend it for children and friends and family members and cousins. And you talk about sometimes they clubs, if you don't know what's clubs, is other teams that offers, and if they offer them in millions, you accept it, and they text them, and wager is thousands. I'm done.
I like this book because there's an old witch in it, and she looks not nice, she looks ugly. And now there's a special girl, her name's called Job, and she has 6 fingers, and she just looks, well, she's kind because she doesn't want the witch to burn the book. This is the picture. I love amazing art in picture book. You want to see this? My class will love it, and I know that your class will. Bye.
And finally today, let us see our stars in early years and Key Stage 1. In nursery, in Mexia we have Chaitan, in Tenzing we have Zarai, and in Coleman we have Felix. In reception classes, Ava in Jemison, Abel in MacArthur, and Rudy in Seacole. Well done, early years. Key Stage 1. In ordering class, we have Arjun, in Attenborough, Amaryllis, and in Marco Polo, Isa. In Year 2, we have Tareem in Einstein, Scout in Marie Curie, and Sophia in Pasteur. Well done to our stars, and well done to all of you. 1 week to go until the half-term holidays, and I hope you have a great 5 days. Bye!